As a general rule, always make sure that the system power is off and the cable disconnected. Also make sure that the brake is on. To start the removal, undo the cable latch, then unplug the power cable. Remove the rear filter cover. Next, remove each of the side panels by grabbing them from the bottom edge and lifting out. Remove the 2 screws on the left and right of the rear panel. Pull and lift to remove the rear cosmetic panel. Unplug the cables on top of the power supply. Remove the 3 screws around the power supply and then pull out the power supply. For the installation, do everything in reverse order. Start with using the top latch on the power supply to help the alignment. Screw in the 3 screws around the power supply. Plug back in the cables on top of the power supply. Screw on the 2 screws on the left and right of the rear panel. Put back on the rear cosmetic panel. Put back on the side panels. Insert the rear filter cover, plug back in the power cable, and redo the cable latch.